LangSmith versus LangChain. Which AI development tool is better? Choosing the right AI framework can transform how you build intelligent applications without wasting time or resources. We'll look at LangSmith and LangChain side by side. LangSmith and LangChain are popular AI development tools, but they serve different purposes. LangChain focuses on building language model applications with modular components, while LangSmith offers observability and debugging tools to optimize and monitor those AI workflows. LangChain is an open source framework designed to simplify the creation of applications powered by language models. It provides modular building blocks for connecting language models with data sources, APIs, and custom logic, enabling developers to build chatbots, agents, and complex workflows efficiently. LangChain supports multiple languages and integrates with popular AI providers, making it flexible for various use cases. Its strength lies in its extensibility and active community, which continuously adds new components and integrations. However, LangChain requires familiarity with AI concepts and coding skills to implement effectively. It's ideal for developers and teams looking to build custom AI applications from scratch with full control over architecture and data integration. LangSmith complements AI development by focusing on observability, debugging, and monitoring of language model applications. It provides a user-friendly interface to track prompts, responses, and execution paths, helping developers understand and optimize their AI workflows. LangSmith captures detailed logs and visualizes the flow of data in real time, making it easier to identify bottlenecks or errors. While it doesn't replace the core development framework, it enhances productivity by offering insights that improve model performance and reliability. LangSmith is best suited for teams already using tools like LangChain, who want to ensure their applications run smoothly and transparently, especially in production environments. Its limitation is that it requires integration with existing AI frameworks rather than serving as a standalone development platform. LangChain and LangSmith serve complementary roles in AI development. LangChain is the foundation for building language model applications with flexible components and integrations, ideal for developers creating new AI-driven solutions. LangSmith, on the other hand, focuses on observability and debugging, providing valuable insights into application behavior and performance. For example, a developer can use LangChain to design a chatbot, then apply LangSmith to monitor user interactions and troubleshoot issues in real time. The trade-off is between creation and oversight. LangChain requires coding and design effort, while LangSmith improves maintenance and reliability but depends on integration with a development framework. Choosing between them depends on whether your priority is building AI applications or managing and optimizing them effectively once deployed. Choose LangChain if you need a robust, flexible framework to build custom AI applications from the ground up with extensive integration options. Opt for LangSmith to gain deep observability and debugging capabilities that enhance your AI workflows' reliability and performance. Together, these tools create a powerful AI development ecosystem that balances creation with operational insight. Select based on your current project needs and team focus.